In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add questions on Calendly. Calendly is a fantastic tool that simplifies the scheduling process, making it easier for people to book appointments with you. It's widely used by professionals across industries to manage their calendars more efficiently. One of the great features of Calendly is the ability to add custom questions to your event types. This can be incredibly useful for gathering information from the people booking time with you, ensuring that every meeting starts off on the right foot. Let's dive into the steps on how to customize your Calendly events by adding questions. First, head over to the Calendly website. Once you're there, you will need to log into your account. If you don't have an account yet, take a moment to sign up. It's straightforward and will open up a world of scheduling simplicity. After logging in, you'll be taken to your dashboard. Here, you'll see all the event types you've created. Event types are just different kinds of meetings you can have, like a 30-minute consultation or a 1-hour presentation. If you haven't created one yet, now is a great time to do so. But for today, our focus is on editing an existing event. So navigate through your list of event types and select the one you want to edit by clicking on it. This action opens the event settings. Within these settings, you'll find various options to configure your event type, making it fit your exact needs. Now look for the section titled Event Details. This section allows you to control the specifics of your event, like its name, location and duration. But what we're interested in today is a little further down. The description instructions area. It's here where you can add the questions you want to ask your invitees. These questions can range from simple ones like what's your phone number to more complex inquiries tailored to the nature of the meeting. To add a question, simply click into the description instructions area. You'll notice that you can type freely here, so go ahead and add your questions. You can format them however you see fit, but remember, clarity is key. You want to ensure that the people booking time with you understand what you're asking. After you've added all your questions, it's essential not to forget the final step, saving your changes. Look for the Save button, usually located at the bottom or top of the page. Clicking this button will ensure that all the modifications you made are applied. If you navigate away from the page without saving, your changes will be lost. Now, when someone goes to book an appointment with you through Calendly, they'll see your added questions and can answer them right there. This functionality not only streamlines the scheduling process, but also gives you valuable insight into each meeting before it even starts. Here are a couple of tips to make your questions even more effective. Keep them short and to the point. Lengthy or confusing questions can deter people from completing the booking. Be mindful of the information you're requesting. Ensure it's relevant to the meeting's objective and respects the privacy of your invitees. And there you have it, a straightforward guide on how to add custom questions to your Calendly events. This small tweak can make a significant difference in how you prepare for meetings. Whether you're using Calendly for business consultations, service appointments, or casual meetups, tailoring your event types with custom questions will undoubtedly enhance the experience for both you and your invitees. Remember, personalization is the key to creating meaningful interactions. By leveraging Calendly's features to their fullest, you're not just organizing meetings, you're facilitating better conversations. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial helps you make the most out of your Calendly account. Stay productive and see you in the next video.